In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. You need to begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts and click Add Contact. Now it's time to set up the one that you wish to add by clicking on it. You can do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and hit Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!